The water won't turn off.
Ah. Curses!
Dad, it's time to man up.
So on today's episode of Man Up, we're gonna fix a leaky garden faucet. Now as I'm trying to turn this shut, it just keeps spinning in there. What I think is going on is that there's some threads in there that have gotten stripped. And so I'm gonna replace this whole element. So the part we're gonna replace today looks like this. Basically it comes into the side of the house, and on this end it's gonna screw in to the water line. Now the water line comes in right here. Right there is where it comes in. And you can see that it's threaded right here. Sometimes they're soldered in. If they're soldered in, you're gonna have to get a blowtorch. They're like 40 bucks and melt the solder. But I got lucky, this is threaded in. I think most of them are threaded. I went to Lowe's to get one of these. I didn't realize they came in different lengths. They come in 6, 8, 10, and 12-inch lengths. So you gotta know which one you're getting ahead of time. This is my second one that I've gotten. I think the first one was too short. So I'm gonna show you now how to turn off the water. Here's the main shutoff to the house. And what I'm gonna have Kanan do is turn that off. So go ahead and turn that orange knob all the way to the right, buddy. That's good. Now I'll turn off the water to the house. That's the first thing. Get all the water out of this line because we're going to be screwing this out. So Kanan, go ahead and open that up all the way. And we're going to have to turn this whole piece counterclockwise. I'm going to pull this out and twist it so that way it's not scraping against the wall. And I thought I could. Oh yeah, I can do it. You might need a channel locks if you're not a beast like me. The new one, and these match up. Put this is a plumber's tape. I'm gonna put this around 3 times. It'll help keep any water from passing these threads. Lefty loosey, so I'm gonna be turning it to the right to put it in, and so I'm gonna put it on the threads in this manner. So I find those threads. Now here and here there's some screw holes, and it wouldn't be a bad idea to get some long screws and put them in. I'm not gonna do that simply because this thing is super old and it's never had a problem. Jamie, you wanna go turn the water back on to your room and I'll see if this works, and we'll check it in the basement, make sure it's not leaking. So now Kanan's turned the water on for me and we'll test it. Seems to be working well. We'll go in the basement and make sure it's not leaking in there, and then the job pretty much be done. So if you were able to get this done, yeah buddy, you earned your man card for the day, you fixed your house. I'm proud of you, good job. Go ahead and give me a like if you like the video. If you still live in your parents' basement, or your girlfriend has a job and you don't, and you didn't like this video, give me a thumbs down.